Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make professional looking YouTube thumbnails, even if you're not a designer. These tips will help you get more clicks, more views, and grow your channel faster. Let's get started. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see before they click on your video. Think of it like a movie poster for your video. If it's boring, people will scroll right past it, no matter how good your content is. A great thumbnail makes people curious. It promises a story. And the better your thumbnail, the higher your click-through rate, meaning more views for you. Pre-made thumbnail templates are basically ready-to-use designs that you can customize with your own text, images, and colors. They're like shortcuts to a professional-looking thumbnail. In this app, a lot of templates available free. For example, business thumbnails, fashion, new template thumbnails, summer, real estate thumbnails, e-commerce, fitness thumbnails, spa, love, photography, funny, music, game, food, travel, health, dance, marketing channels thumbnails, education thumbnails, automobiles thumbnails, movie, promoting, recipes, art, technology, craft, vlog, many more. Here is lot of templates is available. Just click which one you want customize. For example, I am going to select pre-templates and edit it. Click text and customize and change the background images, text colors. I am going to customize the pre-templates. Click on text and erase it and enter your text. I am going to enter how to make a thumbnail. In just one click and tap on Add Options. And also you can change man and add your own images. Click Stickers options and you can add your favorite one. Click Background Color options and change the background colors which one you want. That's it guys, your thumbnail is ready. Go to top right corner and download it. If you want more tutorials like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.